Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best espresso machines available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at 8 we have Philips Espresso Machine. You can enjoy your favorite coffees for your special moments. Whether you crave for an espresso, a coffee or a milk-based recipe, your fully automatic espresso machine delivers a perfect in-cup result with no hassle and in no time. The AquaClean water filter ensures you make the most out of your fully automatic coffee machine. By changing the filter at machine request, you will not need to descale your machine for up to 5,000 cups, while enjoying clear and purified water. If you are looking for the best espresso machine on a budget, then this is the best money can buy. At number 7 we have DeLonghi Espresso Machine. This true brew process delivers smooth, full-bodied iced coffee by brewing at a lower temperature, pre-infusing and infusing the coffee over ice that's never watered down. It comes with Italian 15-bar high-performance pump and it takes only 40 seconds to heat up the machine and start brewing. It's also come with bean-to-cup brewing system and a breakthrough built-in steel burr grinder. Enjoy the freshest cup of coffee, every time. At number 6 we have Breville Espresso Machine. The Nespresso Virtua Plus offers the latest innovation from Nespresso with an all-new design and colors to complete the perfect single-serve coffee or espresso cup experience. The Virtua Plus Deluxe machine conveniently makes 2 cup sizes at the touch of a button. It uses 2 different capsule sizes. The large capsule coffee and a small one for espresso. You can just insert a capsule and close the lever when activated. The capsule spins up to 7,000 rotations per minute, blending ground coffee with water and producing the perfect crema to enjoy quality coffee in larger cup sizes. At number 5 we have Breville Espresso Machine. The Duo Temp Pro from Breville can extract 1 or 2 espresso shots at a time. The 15-bar Italian-made pump starts with low pressure to bloom coffee grounds, then gradually increases pressure for extraction. It manually controls the volume of each espresso shot. You can choose from 1 or 2 cup single or dual wall filter baskets depending on the number of shots and whether beans are freshly ground or pre-ground. At number 4 we have Breville Espresso Machine. Its full-bodied coffee with rich and complex flavors is created using the right dose of 19 to 22 grams of freshly ground beans. At number 3 we have DeLonghi Espresso Machine. It is created for the passionate espresso and coffee drinker. This elegantly designed, professionally inspired espresso machine empowers you to precisely handcraft espresso just the way you like it. It's microfoam frothing for latte art or rich froth for cappuccino. You can just place your cup under the spout and select flat or foam. Once it's finished, you can enjoy your flat hot milk, or the perfect foam to express your latte art creativity. At number 2 we have Breville Espresso Machine. The Nespresso Creatista Plus offers freshly brewed coffee as well as delicious authentic espresso. The Creatista Plus can turn into your personal latte maker with the attached milk frother, allowing you to create top-quality latte art in your kitchen. Pour over ice to create your favorite iced coffee drinks. It has different single-serve coffee and espresso beverage options at the touch of a button depending on your coffee needs. At number 1 we have DeLonghi Espresso Machine. This special function fully saturates and steeps coffee for a full, robust taste. Prepare authentic cappuccinos and lattes with the swivel jet frother. Convenient programmable digital timer. No more stale coffee with the freshness indicator. Its LED lights illuminate every 15 minutes, for the first hour, to let you know how long the coffee has been standing. Choose the strength of espresso and coffee with the flavor dial. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the espresso machine for your need.